going around the globe more than one time with new fiber.
Here we go, gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, sending air. Today, we're gonna go across the American River and then go down through the railroad tracks.
Literally, it is coast to coast, corner to corner, across mountains and deserts and borderline jungle. We're getting deep into southern Texas, Nebraska, California, New York. It's touching everything. We're looking at a nationwide rollout, cumulatively 27,000 miles of new fiber. I am not aware of any individual program to build this much fiber that's ever happened anywhere. We know we need a partner that can scale nationally if needed.
MasTec is the largest infrastructure company in the country with over 35,000 employees.
Welcome to MasTec, Sacramento, California. We're deploying roughly 130 to 150 employees out of here every morning, 50 to 75 crews rolling out of here. Gather around, guys, let's get our stretches on. People depend on the blue collar worker more than they know. Everybody wants internet, everybody wants fiber. That's what we build every day. But safety's number one. My role in the company is to train individuals not only to do the skill, but the safe way.
We want to make sure that they come home to their family every single day safe.
Oxygen level, 905 is our time.
Physics are physics. The way you get around that is by partnering with folks that understand the little changes in things. You can make operational efficiencies that are repeatable, that are trainable.
And Lumen is a great partner with us to allow us to do that and to be innovative.
We have a design map. Here you got this red line that is your backbone fiber coming in. Then everything feeds off of that backbone. Here's what we're using on our Lumen project today. One continuous piece of 5 miles. We pre-test these reels before we go and install it in the ground. We are at reel number 1, going underneath the river, about a quarter of a mile. Power pack, pull off some slack, let's get this fiber in. Okay, here we go, gentlemen. 10-4, you ready, brother? Lumen believes in us. Is every day perfect? No. But as a partner, there's nothing that we can't do. This is our midway point. The rest of this reel is going to go down in roughly about 14,000 feet the other direction towards downtown Sacramento. We will do a figure 8 there, and then tomorrow the team will come back out and continue to blow. Once we get fiber in, then we send our fiber splicers out to make that connection.
I think it's a cool opportunity to put your fingerprint on something that hasn't been done at this scale all at one time. And the flexibility and adaptability of fiber means that it's going to be around a long time.